Alright guys, so the machine is ready to go. I have screwed all these 6 screws most of the machines would have, uh, and one more thing for the right stitching is this thing. It should have a right tension, so when the stitching is done, it should not be too loose, neither too tight. That if in case it's too tight, you're gonna break the thread or the needle, and if it is too loose, the stitches wouldn't be tight enough. So make sure you'll learn it after doing a bit of stitching, or you may already know. It's not a lesson of stitching, is all about this mechanism. So to check the mechanism, the first thing you're gonna do is put the thread across all these points, and put the bobbin in, and you can see this slot here. That's for these two threads. Before you start stitching, just hold it like this. Shouldn't be perfect. And so what happens when you start moving it, it will tell you whether it's doing the right thing or not. Alright, so you can see here it already caught the thread. So once the thread is here, it will go all the way up to here, and then because of this thing, which is a bit extended to stop the thread going all the way across here, it will hold it for a while, and it will sort of knot through this bobbin thread. That's what we really need. So but since it's the first turn, it will just take the bobbin thread out. Yeah, here it goes. So it already caught the thread. Now to check whether the thread is there, you'll see, as you can see here, it has got the thread. Just use anything to take it out. There it goes. So we got both threads. Now that's not the end of the story. Actually, with this machine also, it was taking the thread out all the time, but as you would see in the comments, most of people can get thread out, yet the machine wouldn't stitch. So that's where the timing and everything comes up. So we're gonna give it a go, see whether it's working.